Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Farrell, and today we are going to read one of Finn's favorite books, Beep Beep, Go to Sleep, by Todd Tarpley, illustrated by John Rocco. Hope you enjoy. Three little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep beep. Robots! Are you still awake? Engines off for goodness sake! No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking! No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking! Oinking? Go to sleep! Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep beep. What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking. Blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed Beep Beep, Go to Sleep. The picture you see here is an oil painting I did for my son Finn and is hanging on his wall right now. This is Mr. Farrell. Bye-bye.